Welcome to all. Now I'm tell about to solve problems using Thales theorem, also known as the basic proportionality theorem. You will need to understand that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it intersects to other two sides proportionally. Essentially, the line divides the two sides into segments that are proportional to each other. Here's a breakdown of how to apply Thales theorem. Number 1. Identify the triangle and parallel line. Locate your triangle in your problem. Identify a line that is parallel to one of the triangle sides. Number 2. Apply the theorem. The theorem states that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides in proportion. This means that the ratio of the lengths of the segments on one side is equal to the ratio of the length of the segment on the other sides. If you have segments A and B on one side of the triangle and segments C and D on the other side, then the theorem says A by B equal to C by D. Number 3. Set up a proportion. Using the information from the step 2, set up a proportion with the lengths of these segments. For example, if you have segments A, B, C and D as described above, your proportion would be A by B equal to C by D. Number 4. Solve for the unknown. Once you have your proportion, you can solve it for any unknown length using algebraic techniques. For instance, if you know the length of A, B, and C, you want to find the length of D. You can cross multiply and solve for D. Examples: let's say you have a triangle ABC with a line DE parallel to BC. If AD equal to 3, DB equal to 6, AE equal to 4, and you want to find EC, you would set up the proportion 3 by 6 equal to 4 by bracket EC bracket. Solving for EC, you get EC equal to 8. Key points to remember. This line must be parallel to one of the triangle sides for the theorem to apply. The proportion involves the segment created by the parallel line on the other two sides of the triangle. Use algebraic techniques to solve for unknown length in the proportion. By understanding these steps and the core principle of Thales theorem, you can solve a wide variety of geometric problems involving parallel lines and triangles. Thank you.